What's going on? This is Markie. Welcome back to my channel regarding the online certification courses. Allow me to break down these courses and what they consist of. This is a channel where you can learn a new skill set or brush up on an old one. Continuous education and improvement should always be a priority if you want to stay current in your field of work and plus get paid your worth. So let's get started. As an entrepreneur, we're all in a rush to accomplish many things when it comes to running a small business, but in order to do so, we need to incorporate all of these criteria to help focus your efforts and increase the chances of achieving your goals. SMART goals are a framework when it comes to setting clear, attainable, and measurable objectives. The SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Allow me to quickly break down each element for you. Targeting a particular area for improvement, quantifying or at least suggesting an indicator of progress, defining responsibility clearly, outlining attainable results with available resources, and including a timeline for expected results. Be precise about your desired outcome. A SMART goal clearly defines what you want to achieve. You will learn how to utilize metrics or indicators that will be used to assess your success. You should be able to track your progress toward the goal. Are you being realistic and within your reach when it comes to your goal? Considering resources, time, and capabilities when setting a SMART goal. When it comes to your overall objectives, values, and priorities, these goals should align with your long-term vision as well. Create a sense of urgency and help you prioritize your actions. SMART goals have been defined, time frame for completion, or a SMART target. All of this brings structure and traceability to your actions and provide clear milestones to let you know you're on the right track. It also encourages you to look into your market and evaluate how your business stacks up. Also, allow me to break down this free 37-minute tutorial regarding how to use SMART goals to achieve more in less time. Some of the topics in the course include, but are not limited to, why I use actionable instead of achievable, the difference between a vision, goal, or resolution, the importance of action, feedback loops, how to juggle multiple goals at the same time. In this free 12th lecture tutorial, I will touch on some of the following subject matters. Using the Eisenhower matrix to manage your time. In addition to knowing how to structure your goals, another aspect of success is knowing how to effectively manage your time. One method to help with time management is the Eisenhower matrix. This video covers the matrix, describing how to prioritize your tasks. 7 common errors people make when setting goals. This lecture will discuss 7 of the most common mistakes or errors that people make when trying to establish their goals. This includes things such as not writing down your goal, not keeping them visible, and not making sure that your goals are in line with your vision. Let this free online tutorial be your hone in on your goals when you're trying to accomplish by avoiding distractions, being honest with what is achievable, and how to track your progress in order to see results. Many thanks for taking some time to check my tutorial out. All the links will be in the description below. Also have a website up and running, which is also Markie Williams Online Certification Courses. Please subscribe so you don't miss out on any training certification courses you may want to pick up. Comment below done, and I will reply back. You can check me out on Facebook under Markie Williams, and they'll also have an online certification page where you can like and follow as well. Please make sure you check out these thumbnails as well floating around right here. Always remember to get paid your worth. Many thanks. It's Markie Williams, and I'm out.